everyone, welcome to our channel. So finally, full notification is out from this Navratna, that is Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, for the position of design and management trainee. Salary is 15 lakh CTC. Total vacancies are 185, which is very big as compared to last year. If you complete your BE Tech in mechanical, electrical, triple E, that is electrical, electronics, computer science, IT, then electronics and communication, electronics only, production and electronics and instrumentation, and other branches are also eligible for this recruitment. So now we will see detailed information. So let's start with important point. And now first big change made by HAL for this year, that is 70% aggregate criteria. So earlier it was 65%, but now they increased it by 5%, and this aggregate you should have in your BE Tech, okay, for open EWS and OBC, and for SST PWD you should have 60% aggregate, then only you are eligible. Posting anywhere in India you will get, then the exam center all over India you will get, so there is no worry. Next thing, that is bond. So yes, there is a bond of 5 years, and if you don't want to serve for 5 years, then you need to pay 5 lakh rupees, which is the bond amount, okay, and training will be there of 1 year. Now most important thing, what is the process? So here first they will conduct your CBT, which have 85% of weightage, and then we have interview which have 15% of weightage, and based on combined score they will publish your final merit list. Age limit cutoff date is 22nd of October. What is age limit? 28 for general EWS, then 31 for OBC, 33 SST, for PWD 38 general, OBC 40 and SST 43. Okay, so now we will see schedule provided by HAL. It is tentative, but definitely we will consider it as a final only. So here you can see your online test is scheduled on 9th of September. So only we have 1 month, and how to crack this in 1 month, definitely we will discuss in our strategy video. Yes. Then interview we have at Bangalore, okay, on 9th of October. Final result you will get on 18th of October, and on 3rd, on 4th of week of November you will start your training. So you can see in 3 months only you will get the joining. So this is the quick process of HAL. That's why this is very great opportunity for all the engineers. Okay, now let's break the vacancies. So here you can see for aeronautical there are total 9 vacancies. For electrical we are talking about design trainee post. Electrical total 12, electronics 44 vacancies, mechanical 30. Then for computer science management trainee 23. So for computer science in design trainee there is no post, okay. Electrical 16, in management trainee again for electronics 13. So for electronics combinedly we have almost 57 vacancies. Yes, mechanical 30, mechanical also we have 60, and for electrical also we have total 28 vacancies. Production 5 and metallurgy total 3 vacancies. Okay, so on which post you can apply? So here you can see that for electrical, those who complete your BE Tech in electrical, triple E, electrical instrumentation you are eligible, electronics, communication, okay, then instrumentation INC, INE you are eligible, then electronics instrumentation also, telecom also. For mechanical and mechanical production, okay. Then for electrical we have again triple E and electronics again the same as above, okay. For computer science IT, then information system, software engineer, computer technology, and computer science and engineering. Next we will discuss about fees. So for general it is 500, EWS also, for OBC also same 500, for SST PWD there is no fee for you guys. So next video will be our form filling video, and after that definitely our most powerful preparation strategy video. In that I will discuss how you can get this job in preparation of 1 month. So if you have any query, any doubt regarding this notification, regarding this recruitment, then you can comment down below. Next video will be form filling, okay. After watching that video, do fill the form. Also join Telegram and WhatsApp group, which is most important. All the links you will get in the comment section.